2. Kit Kat Kids. Case 3.
A for apple. A for apple.
E for elephant, big and strong. F for fish,
B
G for
B for ball. B for ball.
I for igloo made of ice. J for jelly, sweet and nice. K
C
flying high.
C for cat. C for cat.
M for monkey swinging in trees. N for nest for birds and bees. O for owl, hoots.
D
for parrot,
D
bright. U
D for dolphin. D for dolphin.
hops ahead. S for sun, shine so bright. T for turtle,
E E for elephant. E for elephant.
which beautifully plays. W for whale, huge in the sea. X for
F
waterfall.
F for fish. F for fish.
For yak with shaggy hair. C for zebra with stripes so red.
G for grapes. G for grapes. H for hen. H for hen.
A for yak with shaggy hair. Z
I
zebra with stripes
I for ice cream. I for ice cream.
Y for yak with shaggy hair. Z I for couple juicy and red. B
J
which we play.
J
C for
J for jeep. J for jeep.
dog with friendly leaps. E for elephant, big and strong. F for fish.
K
G for
K for kite. K for kite.
I for igloo made of ice. J for jelly, sweet and nice.
L
Flying
L for line. L for line.
M for monkey swinging in trees. N for nest for birds and bees. O for owl, hoots.
M
E for parrot,
M for monkey. M for monkey.
rabbit, hops ahead. S for sun, shine so bright. T for turtle,
N
when it's light.
N
Umbrella,
N for nest. N for nest.
violin which beautifully plays. W for whale, huge in the sea.
O O for orange. O for orange.
For yak with shaggy hair. C for zebra with stripes so red.
P for penguin. P for penguin. Q Q for quack. Q for quack.
A for yak with shaggy hair. C for
R
zebra with stripes so red.
R for rabbit. R for rabbit.
Y for yak with shaggy hair. Z for cat who purrs and sleeps. D for dog with
S
S
just for snake. Just for snake.
F for fish swimming along. G for goat nibbling the grass. H for horse running fast.
T
Igloo made of
T for tiger. T for tiger.
I for kite flying high. L for lion with a roar in the sky. M for
U
swinging in trees.
U
Nest for birds
U
and
for
bees.
umbrella. U for umbrella.
Night. P for parrot, colorful and bright. Q for queen with a crown on her head. R for rabbit.
B
Head.
B for violin. B for violin.
Turtle slow in its flight. U for umbrella for rainy days.
W.
We praise
W. W for whale. W for whale.
X for xylophone. Y for yak, which
X.
Z for
X.
zebra.
X for Xmas. X for Xmas. Y. Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. J. J.
G for yak,
G for zebra. G for zebra.